guys, Laurice and welcome to my channel. So for today's video guys, I will be sharing to you on how I make this arm warmer set. Arm warmer then a tube top. I think it is trendy and it is perfect for our weather right now. Yes, our gloomy weather right now. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So in this tutorial, we will need a long sleeve with a stretchy fabric. So it can be a turtleneck or just a typical long sleeve with round neck. So the fabric of the long sleeve should stretch like this. So in this long sleeve, we will be doing a matching set, a arm warmer, or a cami top or tube top. So grab a tape measure, a tailor chalk, or a pencil. A chalk will do if you don't have a piece of tailor chalk, and a scissor. So first, what we need to do is from the underarm area, measure 4 inches. Then draw a straight line connecting the lines. Then cut it. Then save the excess fabric for a tube top. So now, your long sleeve should be look like this. So after you cut the long sleeve, you should fold it like this. From the neckline, measure 6 inches. This measurement will do if your long sleeve is a turtleneck, and you need to make adjustment if your long sleeve is not a turtleneck. After measuring from the neckline, mark your measurement. So from that line to the underarm area, we will draw a curved line which will serve as baseline. So after drawing our baseline or the first line, we will now draw the second line, which will serve as our seam allowance. So you can add a seam allowance about 1 inch or ½ inch. So this is the front part, and the last that I cut is the back part. And I noticed that the front part of the long sleeve is much smaller, so I need to make some adjustment. So I adjust the measurement larger than the other side. So I adjust mine about 3 inches. So to make your work much easier, use it as a pattern and then just make some adjustment. So after cutting the long sleeve, we will now pin it and sew the raw edges. So if you have pins, you can use them to make a clean and nice hem. So after sewing the other side, we will now proceed to the remaining side. So we are now done in making the arm warmer, and we will now proceed to the tube top. So in making the tube top, grab the excess fabric and measure the fabric from your desired size. So in taking the measurement, measure your bust size, then subtract it about 1 inch or 2 inch and divide it into 2. So for example, my bust size is about 32 inches. So I subtract it about 2 inches. Now I have a 30 inches measurement. I will now divide it into 2. Now I will have a 15 inches measurement, which will be my tube top measurement. So don't worry if we reduce the size about 2 inches. As long our fabric is stretchy, it will do the job. And we will now hem the edges using a straight stitch. guys you like this video, and if you like it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you will get notified whenever I upload. See you on my next one. Bye!